Dave here again. One of my neighbors come to my rescue. I was getting ready to plow this. You see how deep this thing is, and one of my neighbors has got a tractor with a scoop, and he's was finished with his, or finishing up his, and he decided to saw me coming out here with my little scoop shovel, and so he's helping me remove the snow. What he's done already would take me an hour or half an hour. So stay tuned. Thanks for good neighbors. Seigneur, vous bénisse. À la prochaine. May the Lord bless you. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Promico Outdoors. And again, we're thinking about you and people in Florida and Texas while we're doing this. Seigneur, vous bénisse. À la prochaine.